Saturday the 18th. Got done with that weight box, filling it full of concrete, so now I'm up here mowing a little bit. It's supposed to be a sunny day. It's clouded up. Don't know what's going on. Fuel gauge, temperature gauge. This is my 5320. I put the new water pump on and all the hoses and belts and everything else. It's running perfect. Here mowing, some of this grass is really heavy. Using my 8-foot mower that I rebuilt. It's doing perfect. And tractor's working pretty good on this real big stuff. You can see some goat weed out there. It just chews right through it. Don't bog down. She ain't running hot. Temperature's exactly where it's supposed to be. Jordy just brought me some coffee to drink. Anyway, I gotta get back to mowing. She's got her event, so we have to leave here in a few hours.